Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your audio smoother and more professional with the awesome auto docking effect in Audacity. Let's dive right into it. First up, open Audacity and import your audio and voice files. For the auto docking to work properly, make sure your voice track is placed under your main audio file. This ensures the docking effect will lower the volume of your main track whenever your voice is active. Once your tracks are set up, double-click on the main song track to select it. Now go to Effects, navigate towards Volume and Compression, and then click Auto Dock. A window will appear with various settings. If everything looks good to you, go ahead and click Apply. You'll immediately see the waveform of the audio changing as docking effect takes place. Now, press play to preview the changes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use voice notes. You should notice the volume of the music docking every time your voice plays, making it much clearer and balanced. And there you have it, your audio has been successfully auto-docked. And that's all there is to it. Now your audio sounds more polished and professional with auto-docking effect in Audacity. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. More tutorials and tips coming your way soon. Stay tuned.